Hello everyone, today my topic is the selection rules used in the quantum mechanics. The transition dipole moment mu kn is given by bracket notation psi k mu psi n, where psi k and psi n are the state vectors of nth and kth state. On the basis of dipole approximation, the transition for which the transition dipole moment mu kn does not equal to 0, mu kn does not equal to 0 is allowed transition, and if mu kn is 0 then it is a forbidden transition. In other way, we know the parity of atomic orbital with quantum number L is -1 to the power L. अगर किसी भी एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल का क्वांटम नंबर L है, ऑर्बिटल क्वांटम नंबर, then their parity is given by -1 to the power L. In our case, mu kn have a three term psi k, psi n and r. So their parity -1 to the power lk and -1 to the power ln and minus r. So that is equal to -1 to the power lk plus ln plus 1 is equal to even if the orbital have opposite parity and odd if orbital have same parity. For hydrogen atom, the dipole moment matrix in hydrogen atom, a positive nucleus and electron revolves around the nucleus. So the dipole moment matrix element is n dash l dash m dash, because the wave function of hydrogen atom is described by three quantum number: principal quantum number n, orbital al and magnetic m. So this value must be finite if and only if L dash and L difference is plus minus 1. This is a Laporte selection rule. The Laporte selection rule indicate that dipole matrix element will be finite if the difference of orbital quantum number in two different states is either plus 1 or minus 1. If the radiation, in case of light, the radiation is plane polarized with the electric field z direction, z component of dipole moment is given by n dash, l dash, m dash and nlm, and z is the r cos theta. In this case, the phi part of the integral, अगर आप हाइड्रोजन एटम को डिटेल में पढ़ें तो आर थीटा फाई मतलब स्फेरिकल पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट्स होते हैं. सो द फाई पार्ट ऑफ द इंटीग्रल 0 to 2 pi exponential I m minus m dash phi d phi is equal to finite if and only if delta m is equal to 0. So this is the selection rule, delta m is equal to 0 in case of radiation incident on any atom is plane polarized. If the radiation is polarized in xy plane, मतलब two dimensional, then matrix element will gives the finite value if and only if delta m is equal to plus minus 1. Now if the radiation is plane polarized, that means electric field in the z direction, then the selection rule is delta m is equal to 0. But in case of two-dimensional XY plane, the selection rule is delta m is equal to plus minus 1. Therefore, for arbitrary polarization, in any direction, in first case the polarization is along z direction. In second case the polarization is in xy plane. So for any arbitrary polarization, the general selection rule is delta m is equal to 0 or plus minus 1. And Laporate selection rule, delta L is equal to plus minus 1. And selection rule for M in case of hydrogen atom, delta M is equal to plus minus 1. In this way, the selection rule for hydrogen atom is delta L is equal to plus minus 1 and delta M is equal to 0 or plus minus 1. If we want to determine the selection rule for electric dipole transition of linear harmonic oscillator, then the wave function of nth state of linear harmonic oscillator is given by this, and dipole matrix element in any component just like y component is given by constant psi k star psi n y, मतलब h k y y h n y e to the power minus y square by 2. Because psi is given by psi n y is given by constant nn and hn y exponential minus y square by 2, where y is equal to m omega upon h cut की power half x. And the dipole matrix element is given by this. For Hermite polynomial y hnx hny is used this recurrence relation nhn minus 1y plus half hn plus 1y. So kyn is equal to constant hky and y hny is given by this. So it has two terms, hky hn minus 1y or hn plus 1y hky. There are the two terms. hky hn minus 1y one term and hky hn plus 1y second term. hky hny exponential minus y square dy square is equal to, this term is written as kn, Kronecker delta kn, and this value is 1 if k is equal to n, and this value is 0 if k is equal to 0. According to this property, hky hn minus y gives non-zero value if and only if k is equal to n minus 1. K is equal to n minus 1. Then it will gives finite value. In second case, hky hn plus 1y. If k is equal to n plus 1, then gives non-zero value. Otherwise, it will gives 0 value. So the selection rule k is equal to n minus 1 or k is equal to n plus 1. That means k minus n is equal to plus minus 1. This is a dipole matrix element. In case of harmonic oscillator, it will be 0 if k does not equal to n plus minus 1, and it gives some value if k is equal to either n plus 1 R n minus 1. So k minus n is equal to plus minus 1. This is a selection rule. In this, you can write delta n is equal to plus minus 1. This is the end of my lecture.